आम्ही मागलेले इन्स्टिट्यूटा कडल्यान to check and let us know if there's any flexibility in the exam, if there's any counselors they have kept, because the deaths and suicides were happening quite frequently. Even this recent incident that has happened, it's of a 20-year-old girl who was working, I think so, who was studying in electronics field, the third year student, I won't take the name, and she hung herself from a ceiling fan with a bed sheet. So it's a very sad and depressing situation and atmosphere within the institute. And if the government and the institute cannot handle such a big institute, then somewhere I think there's a failure in the administration. We demanded to have a probe into drugs, alcohol, and त्यांच्यानी म्हाका दिसता quite sincerely ते follow सुद्धा केल्ले मदी, पूण ताजो काय आमकां result दिसना. So if the government is saying that the area is completely clean with no drugs, no alcohol, then somewhere the institute is completely responsible, the administration is completely responsible for this. And we demand that there should be a 10-member committee to get into a deeper investigation, because this cannot just stand here for now. I think the governor also has to intervene, the collector has to intervene, because this matter is serious. We cannot handle an institute like BITS Pilani in Goa, then I think so we should not even bring further private institutes. I think in Concon we're coming up with Parul University. We cannot handle this. Imagine what can we do there. There are many institutes that were running in Goa from couple of years since we were kids. We never heard of such kind of tragedy happening every now and then. So we demand a 10-member committee which will comprise a judicial person, a retired judge, a retired police officer, so that there will be some law enforced into it, a medical expert who would basically be a forensic pathologist or a senior medical officer who would review the post-mortem reports, cause and time of death, and medical negligence if there was any. Fourthly, we would want an educational expert to be part of the committee to examine the academic pressure within the institute if there's any. A government regulatory authority representative from any educational department, university will be good. An institute management representative, a student welfare representative, I think a mental health professional, as we spoke about counseling the last time also, whether they have any counseling in place, we need to check that. And a student or parent representative, because this is also very important. They need not be from the same institute, they can be from any institute, but they need to be representing this committee, and there should be a detailed probe into every death. आणि हांव मागता आमचो MLA आंतोन वाज, बाब लास्ट इयर 5 डेथ्स जाल्ले ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटान. वो इन्स्टिट्यूट पडटा तुजो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कोर्तालीम. ह्या वर्सान वो फर्स्ट डेथ. तूं सायलंट आसा, तुजो खंयच आमी कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन पळयना टू एक्ट, टू फायंड आउट, टू प्रोब इनटू this particular death. I think the MLA should come into play now and check what are the reasons and causes, because somewhere down the line it is also demeaning the name of Kortalim, because we don't want that death to be associated with Kortalim every now and then. So I think there should be some action taken by the representative of Kortalim constituency, and that is Mr. Anton Vaz.